The video starts by addressing a common scenario. Discovering questionable or dishonest actions by certain individuals, and now these individuals are aware that you're onto their deceit. The video proceeds to explain how these deceptive people tend to react when they know you've figured them out. Understanding these behaviors is crucial for protecting oneself from their malevolent actions. Number 1. Denial or downplay. Their behavior. Once confronted, deceitful individuals excel at pretending they have no knowledge of what you're talking about. They may go to great lengths to deny any wrongdoing and project an image of innocence. This tactic aims to create a doubt about your perception of reality. They exploit the vagueness of certain situations to evade accountability. It's emphasized that in such situations, it's essential to maintain your stance and rely on concrete evidence to support your case. Number 2. Control and manipulation. Deceptive people often resort to manipulation as a way of controlling the situation. They may appeal to your emotions, identity, or values to influence your thoughts and actions. Their charm, guilt-tripping, and flattery tactics aim to ingratiate themselves with you. However, the video advises viewers to remain cautious and trust their intuition, especially when something appears too good to be true. It's also suggested to keep records of promises and actions to hold these individuals accountable. Number 3. Intimidation tactics. When deceitful individuals feel threatened, they frequently turn to intimidation. This involves using fear as a tool to silence and control anyone who challenges them. Threats, blackmail, or even physical violence are tactics they may employ to exert power. The video stresses the importance of not backing down in such situations and seeking help if one feels unsafe. It also recommends maintaining a support network that can provide guidance and protection. Number 4. Playing the victim. Deceptive individuals often hide their true intentions behind a facade of victimhood. They portray themselves as wronged, evoking sympathy by presenting themselves as helpless, victimized, or discriminated against. The video advises viewers to critically analyze this narrative and strive to uncover the actual facts. It's emphasized not to let these individuals exploit your empathy or manipulate your sense of fairness. Number 5. Creating drama and distractions. Video points out that deceitful individuals are adept at generating drama to divert attention from their dishonest actions. They create chaos, spin stories, and employ various diversionary tactics to shift blame, attack individuals personally, or generalize situations to avoid responsibility. Video encourages viewers not to be distracted from the main issue. Instead, it's essential to stay focused on the facts and continue presenting evidence that exposes the true intentions of these individuals. Number 6. Creating division. Deceptive individuals are skilled at exploiting differences among people to sow discord and conflict. Their strategies aim to deliberately create rifts and animosity between individuals. By creating division and pitting people against each other, they hope to distract from their own misdeeds. The video stresses the importance of unity, understanding, and cooperation among individuals to counteract these divisive efforts. Number 7. Financial control and exploitation. Deceptive individuals frequently use financial control and exploitation to manipulate and dominate others. This can involve pressuring individuals to grant access to their financial resources or coercing them into monetary dependence. The video advises viewers to be cautious of attempts to manage their finances, restrict access to funds, or deceive them into relinquishing financial power. Seeking advice from financial experts or legal professionals is recommended to protect assets and ensure financial autonomy. Number 8. Retaliation. Deceptive individuals do not take kindly to being exposed. Viewers are cautioned to prepare for potential retaliation, including smear campaigns, boycotts, or attempts to sabotage personal or professional lives to silence or deter anyone who threatens to uncover their true nature. The video suggests maintaining vigilance and documenting instances of sabotage or undermining to build a case against these individuals' actions. The video concludes by emphasizing that dealing with deceitful individuals can be emotionally challenging, and they may react manipulatively, intimidatingly, or even violently to safeguard their own interests. The safety of viewers is prioritized, and seeking help when necessary is encouraged. The video ultimately encourages viewers not to be discouraged by the actions of these deceitful individuals, and to continue doing what's right by exposing the truth. It also invites viewers to like the video, share it with friends, subscribe for more content, and check out other videos on the channel.